Whatever, how is it? Like people help you cut your meat and everything.
I feel royal.
Royal? You feel royal?
You gotta do a really big now. So, overflown by taste, right? Because like there's so many Korean fans in like Estonia. If someone opens a sun place in Estonia, it's gonna be full 24/7.
여러분 이거 보세요. 영상 시작하지 않았는데 바로 한국 드라마입니다. 신기하다. 이거 뭐지? 왜 이렇게 사람 많지? 여기 일본의 코리아타운인데 근데 왜 이렇게 사람 많지? 여기 이제 남동생인데 우리 오늘 뭐 하는 건지 알아요?
Something about Korean food.
한식 먹을 겁니다. 남동생 한식 먹은 적 없어요. 한식당 가본 적 있어요? Have you been to Korean restaurant?
Don't think so.
오늘은 일본에서 삼겹살 먹을 겁니다. 삼겹살. It means 3 layers of fat.
3 layers.
3 layers of fat, yeah.
Like lay it like a cake or something?
Well, you'll find out. Let's go. 가자. 여기 저기 다 한식이네. 족발도 있고 여기 Korean village. 거의 한국 같은데 지금? 그냥? 근데 여기 분위기 되게 바뀌었네. 완전 한국 분위기다. 여기 오늘은 여기 밥 먹으러 왔습니다. 여러분 이 사람 아시죠? 백종원. He's really famous. He's a really famous Korean chef.
Okay. So it's like grilling.
Yes, it's like grilling. Have you ever been to a place like this? 내가 쏜다. I'm buying. 언니 쏜다. 아니 누나지. 누나 쏜다. Okay. 삼겹살 2 people per day. Whatever, how is it? Like people help you cut your meat and everything.
I feel royal.
Royal? You feel royal? 감사합니다.
Arigato.
Thank you.
Let me guess, we take a leaf, we put some stuff in the leaf, we put some meat in the leaf, and then we eat it.
Yes, you're correct.
Yeah.
There's also soups. I thought it was going to be a cold one,
Very
but
confused. These are
yeah.
the soups.
yeah, we have many. 네, 아리가또
Oh,
고자이마스.
wow. Omelette.
Oh,
Omelette.
looks good, right?
Okay, now I'm very confused. What do we like? Is this a soup? Is this a leaf sandwich? Is this a
You're
omelette?
confused what we're eating. So this
How
is
do we eat
samgyeop.
everything? It's like basically everything you eat like differently.
Okay, so pretty much what you do. Oh, you got some water? Oh, you poured for me as well?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. So kind. You know, that's like Korean culture. In Korea, the youngest person normally sets the table for the older one.
I feel like I didn't say it. It was them, the waiters, and
No, I mean like putting the water and the chopsticks and stuff. So there are a bunch of banchans.
kimchi.
Oh,
and
yes.
Something else.
This is the soup. 시작해볼까요? Let's start. So these are the 3 layers of fat that I spoke about before. I'm gonna make one for you. This is a sam.
I guess I'll make one for you at least.
Oh, you're gonna make one for me? Okay, thank you. So I'm gonna make one for you and it's gonna be delicious. You're gonna try to make one for me. Go ahead.
I'll try. God damn, this is hard.
So
Sorry, but this.
this is a kidney leaf.
Just this.
Oh, that's for me? Wow, you made a huge one. So you do and I'm
I
gonna
have to
give
do
it
a
to
very
you.
big
Okay, do First, let me give you. Okay. This is Korean culture.
Really?
Yeah. How is it?
It's good. Is this mint?
It's not mint. It's kidney. Pearly.
You gotta do a really big now. So overflown by taste, right?
You made a good one.
It's pretty good. It's very spicy.
Spicy.
Yeah.
That one is a little spicy, and this is a little
yeah.
spicy. A little.
I know to don't try. Okay. Wow. Okay.
Oh,
So there is so much like oil.
There's a lot of oil. Yes, it does
Yeah.
strip a lot of oil. So try the kimchi. Normally you would maybe fry the kimchi on top of here. I'm gonna put a little bit on top. But to be honest, I really like kimchi on its own, not fried. That's my personal preference. Did you try it?
Yeah, I tried it.
How was it?
It's good.
Good?
Yeah, I think it's like the same that you made.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Just good. I didn't know I would have tasty kimchi in Japan. Oh, wow. These leaves are big.
You need a big mouth for it.
You need a big mouth for these. But what did you think of the Korean culture of feeding the other person?
It's kind of weird. In Estonia, everything's on the table. We like before anyone gets it.
It's very different, right?
It's very different, yeah. I feel like the thing is something you would do like with your girlfriend or boyfriend.
No, that's not what you do with your girlfriend, boyfriend. You can do it with your friends, your family. Yeah, if you care about the person, like you do it for the person you care about.
Here comes the plane.
Exactly. Kind of like we have it for kids, but not for adults. I really like this one. This is samjang. It's really good.
That much this
No,
time.
but the place is really full, isn't it?
Yeah.
That also on the way there were so many people in line for the like it's kind of like Korean street food. 이거 뭐지? Okay.
That was very confusing. Just one big line on one small store. Very, very interesting. Oh, you want this? I can do the airplane. No, I have to do the airplane. Here it comes. You can fit it in. 1, 2, 3. Here comes the airplane.
아니 싫은데 이렇게 하면 I don't like it when you do it like that. Have it yourself. Have your own airplane.
It's tradition. It says.
They
Here
don't
comes
do
the airplane.
No. But they don't do it like that.
It's kind of the fun way of doing it, you know. Here comes the airplane. Now open up. Get it. Get in. Good. Nice. So, was the airplane tasty?
No.
Nice.
Tasty airplane. 남동생 쌈 되게 맛있게 만들어.
If you do the airplane, you really care about the person. Like, it's the super duper way.
Super
of
close, important person.
Yeah.
Wanna try the egg actually?
So confused how you eat it. Like,
Are you confused how you
with
eat
a spoon,
it? Yeah, you do it with a spoon.
just like eat it.
Yeah.
Seems a little weird to do this leaf thing and then go to eating a.
Here comes the eggplane.
I can see it smoking.
Take it with your hand.
Thank you. It's super hot.
Oh, careful. Really?
I had to like swallow it super quick. It's so hot.
It was that hot?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This is like, I say like fancy. This is like not fast food. This is like good like meat. It's actually not spicy.
Really? I think the spiciest thing here is this. For me personally, being in Japan, I started to miss Korean food.
In Estonia, if I went to any place like this, I would just like take the meat, put some ketchup on it, and eat it. That's what I would do. That's like what most Estonians do.
Yeah, that's true that Estonia really likes their ketchup and not non-spicy food. Do you like kimchi?
Oh yeah, I like it. Yeah.
Really? But I remember when you first tried it, you hated it.
Yeah. Maybe you got better at it that time.
한국인은 되게 닮았어요, 이 맛은. This is a 미역국, so it's a seaweed soup, and usually women have it when they gave birth because it says it's good for your health.
I hope so. I'm not giving birth, but like, I hope it does other things. God damn, the omelette is like,
You like it?
it's good, but
hot.
it's like super goddamn hot. I'm like not sure how we like are gonna eat everything.
I'm not sure either, but we'll try.
Yes, this is humongous.
Yeah, it is huge, right? But in Korea, they are always like that.
Are they? Sheesh. I think like this is for like, more people than two, right?
But in Korea, 2 people can eat this.
Really? Wow, that's a lot. I thought I ate a lot.
Yeah, I think we need to try the noodles. They're getting soggy.
Oh, thank you.
Problem?
For a second.
이거 냉면 알 줄 알았는데 이 어이까지 안에 있어가지고 근데 아니네.
I guess I'll try this.
Go ahead. 여기 사람 되게 많아요.
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah, super.
It's kind of now like a kalguksu vibe. Oh, it's really good.
I agree. It's like I can take this spice pretty easily.
And kimchi is not spicy at all.
Yeah, it's not at all.
But you don't seem too surprised.
About what?
The food here or the style of eating.
I've seen you do like mukbangs. It's not very new to me. And actually, you have done some stuff in like home in Estonia.
Yeah, I have cooked at home. So since the seat next to us got filled, that means that the whole place is full.
Oh, yeah.
They're pretty much, they noticed we were filming, so they kept us, like the table next to us, empty the longest. So now it's a full house.
Nice. More the merrier. Actually, when you made food, always put like many things in it.
Ah, really? Because
Yeah.
there were more options.
Yeah.
In Korea, there are more side dishes. This is a very shy amount of side dishes.
Yeah. Actually, a good challenge. Let's look for the most choices you can have in a Korean. What's it called again?
Samgyeopsal.
Samgyeopsal. Basically, can you have like 100 choices? Can you have like 200?
I bet there are buffets, like where you can get all the side dishes. I've never been, but
Okay.
we shall go in Korea.
I'm like very interested because I will like boom, 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 put everything in it and see how much I can fit in my mouth.
근데 여기 메뉴 다 일본어로 있어요. 읽지도 못하니까 그것 때문에 좀 아쉬워요. I think it's really popular with Japanese people as well because there's no English at all.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's all Japanese.
I think every like any person can enjoy this food. And if you have friends, it's like
It's a good place to come when you're with friends, you think?
yeah, I think it's like the perfect place to just hang and just share food.
But in Estonia, we don't normally share food like this, right? At restaurants.
No, we don't.
We don't have any samgyeopsal places like this, so
We don't?
yeah, we don't in Estonia.
I would like really think there would be a place like this in Estonia because like there's so many Korean fans in like Estonia. If someone opens a samgyeopsal place in Estonia, it's gonna be full 24/7. It's still hot. This is not like cooling down.
Because it's in a hot pot.
Oh damn.
If you would have to choose one side dish, which one would you choose?
I feel like this because it like has the most. It has like cabbage too.
It's not really cabbage, it's green onion.
Is it?
It's green onion and some salad leaf a little bit.
Is it?
You know, that's my favorite as well. It's so tasty. 야, 잘 먹네. 잘 먹네.
What?
You eat well. You
Well,
eat well.
oh, thank you.
We don't say that in Europe, don't we?
I was thinking, yeah, it's kind of weird. I don't know. You eat well.
Yeah, in Korea, when someone eats well, then people are like, "Oh, you eat well," like in a good way. It's
Okay.
like, good kid, you eat well," kind of vibe.
Okay. And you say it like to your friends and.
Friends and maybe younger siblings or.
Interesting.
야, 잘 먹네.
Restaurant asks for money.
Some people drink together.
I think this is a perfect place for that. Or,
But here normally we have soju,
okay. What is that again?
Korean vodka.
Oh, I've not tried it.
You haven't tried soju? Like when you come to Korea, you just have one drink together. Yeah.
Airplane.
Yeah. Oh, here comes the
Oh yes.
You're gonna make a song with that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's too tiny.
This is my tiny thingy.
Tiny as some ever.
I put one here.
Try to wrap it.
We wrap it like a
tortilla.
tortilla and see, perfect. Where's the meat gone?
Well, where's the... I think we ate it. Well, maybe I ate it.
One moment I see a mountain here, and the other there's only one.
It's so good. I can't.
I'm gonna try to eat as much as I can. In Estonia, we have a rule that we should eat everything we're given. I have to finish it somehow.
You don't have to finish it. It's okay.
No, you're paying. I have to finish.
Would you want to eat this again?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, we'll have more in Korea. Let's go to buffet where
Yeah,
you can
buffet,
try.
yeah.
Yes. 사람 너무 많아요. 여기 더 얘기하지 못할 것 같아가지고 밖에 좀 갑시다. 사람 너무 많은 거 아니에요?
Oh, there's a thingy there.
잘 먹었어요. 오케이, 여러분 이번 영상 재미있게 봤으면 구독과 좋아해주세요. 그러면 다음 영상에서 봐요. 안녕. 안녕 해봐.